Wo istis elegant little aristocrat with floor length air, approach posture, and a gazette that sends to all the 1,000 years of secrets. If you rethinking of the Lhasa Apso, you are looking at the lion dog of the Himalayas, often mistaken for a delicate lap dog. This breed is actually a Taugas Nile sentinel with a story rooted in sacred Buddhist monasteries. But is the Lhasa Apso just a beautiful ornament for your home, or is there a sharp-witted, independent guardian hiding behind that silken curtain of fur? Today, we are diving deep into the mystical world of the Lhasa Apso to uncover the truth about this ancient breed. We'll explore their role as protectors of the Dalai Lama, the science behind their incredible longevity, and they are considered one of the most independent small dogs on the planet. We'll separate the MYTHS from the reality and show you exactly what it takes to live with a dog that doesn't just want a master, but a partner. Let us unlock the mystery of the Lhasa Apso. Part 1. The Sacred History Sentinels of the Clouds. The story of the Lhasa Apso begins thousands of years ago in the isolated monasteries of Tibet. Their name comes from Lhasa, the holy city of Tibet, and Apso, which translates to bearded or long-haired. In their homeland, they weren't just pets, they were essential members of the spiritual community. While larger Tibetan mastiffs guarded outside of the monasteries, the Lhasa Apso was the indoor sentinel. They were bred to have a sense of hearing and hazard, distinct bark to alert the monks to any intruders who made it past their gates. They were so highly regarded that they were considered sacred, and according to legend, the spirits of monks who had not yet reached nirvana would sometimes inhabit the bodies of these dogs. For centuries, they could not devour their soul. They were only given as gifts of honor, even to the Dalai Lama himself. Part 2. Personality. The independent aristocrat. The most important thing to understand about the Lhasa Apso is temperament is that they do not see themselves as small dogs. They possess an internal dignity and independence that is almost cat-like. While they are deeply loyal and affectionate with their families, they are naturally wary of strangers and will take their time to decide if someone is worthy of their trust. Unlike many toy breeds that crave constant attention, the Lhasa Apso is perfectly happy spending time alone, making them an excellent choice for apartment dwellers or people with busy schedules. However, this independence also comes with a stubborn streak. They are intelligent and learn quickly, but they will often ask, "What is in it for me?" before following a command. They require a patient, consistent leader who uses positive reinforcement to win their respect. Part 3. The majestic coat. Labor of law. The Lhasa Apso is famous for its dense, heavy, and straight coat, which protected them from the extreme cold and dust of the Tibetan mountains. If you want that so dog look with air reaching the floor, you must be prepared for a serious commitment. Daily bruising. To prevent mats and tangles, you must bruise them down to the skin every single day. Regular baths. Their hair can trap dirt easily, requiring weekly baths to keep it looking healthy and smelling fresh. The puppy cut. Many owners choose to keep their Lhasa in a puppy cut or a shorter trim. This makes maintenance much easier while still showing off their adorable features. Eye care. Because of their long facial hair, their eyes are prone to irritation. Keeping the hair tied up in a top knot or trimmed away from the edges is essential for their comfort and health. Part 4. Longevity and the health. The statesman. The Lhasa Apso is one of the longest living dog breeds in the world. It is not uncommon for them to live well into their late teens, with some even reaching 20 years of age. This incredible longevity means they will be a part of your life for a very long time. However, they do have specific health vulnerabilities. Kidney issues. Renal dysplasia, a hereditary condition that can affect the development of the kidneys. Age problems, including progressive retinal atrophy and dry eye. Patellar luxation, a common issue in small breeds where technique slips out of place. Skin allergies. Their dense coat can sometimes see the skin irritations or allergies that require veterinary attention.